Hey everyone, welcome back to Low Tech Times. Today we're checking out the top 5 best rear-view mirror camera systems you can get right now. Whether you're dealing with a bulky vehicle, limited visibility, or just want an extra layer of safety, a good backup camera is a total game changer. I've spent weeks researching and testing these models to find the best balance of features and value. We're talking crystal clear displays, wide viewing angles, and super simple installation that can seriously upgrade your driving confidence. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Pelsi S12 Pro Rear View Mirror Camera. The Pelsi S12 Pro Rear View Mirror Camera is perfect for drivers seeking enhanced safety and a crystal clear view of the road behind them. Featuring a high-resolution 12-inch IPS touchscreen, this smart mirror seamlessly replaces your factory rear view, providing a wide, unobstructed field of vision. Equipped with a waterproof rear camera that offers superior night vision, it ensures you can monitor your surroundings in any driving condition, day or night. Its sleek, frameless design integrates effortlessly into your vehicle's interior while offering a durable, anti-glare display. Whether navigating tight parking spots, towing a trailer, or ensuring safety on long journeys, the Pelsi S12 Pro delivers essential visibility and peace of mind for every modern driver. Vement Rear View Mirror Camera. The Vement Rear View Mirror Camera is perfect for drivers seeking enhanced safety and a crystal clear view of the road behind them. Featuring a high-resolution waterproof camera and a full HD display integrated directly into a sleek mirror, this system provides a wide, unobstructed rear perspective. Its intelligent design automatically switches to the camera view when you shift into reverse, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces remarkably simple and stress-free. Made from durable materials, the mirror is robust yet easy to install in most vehicles. Whether you are navigating busy city streets or backing out of a dimly lit driveway, the Vement Rear View Mirror Camera is an essential upgrade that significantly boosts your confidence and driving security. Wolfbox G9 3010-foot Rear View Mirror Camera. The Wolfbox G9 3010-inch rear view mirror camera is perfect for drivers seeking a seamless upgrade to their vehicle's safety and visibility. Featuring a brilliant 10-inch full touchscreen, this system replaces your standard mirror with a crystal-clear digital display. Equipped with a high-resolution waterproof rear camera, it provides an expansive, unobstructed view, effectively eliminating blind spots for safer reversing and lane changes. Its superior build quality includes a durable housing that installs securely over your existing mirror. Whether navigating tight city streets or backing into a crowded parking space, the enhanced perspective is invaluable. This essential driving aid combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, making it an indispensable upgrade for any modern vehicle. Pelsi P12 Pro Rear View Mirror Camera. The Pelsi P12 Pro Rear View Mirror Camera is perfect for drivers seeking enhanced safety and a seamless, unobstructed rear view. Featuring a brilliant 12-inch full touchscreen that replaces your factory mirror, it provides a crystal-clear, wide-angle display from its waterproof rear camera, eliminating dangerous blind spots. Made with a premium frameless design and automatic dimming, it ensures comfortable nighttime driving by reducing glare from headlights. Its superior dual recording capability captures both the road ahead and the cabin in high definition, offering essential evidence in case of an incident. Equipped with a reliable parking monitor, it gives you peace of mind whenever your vehicle is unattended. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch Rear View Mirror Camera. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch rear view mirror camera is perfect for drivers seeking ultimate safety and a crystal-clear view of their surroundings. Featuring a brilliant 12-inch full touchscreen, it replaces your factory mirror with a high-resolution display that provides a panoramic view from the waterproof rear camera. Equipped with advanced night vision technology, it ensures superior visibility in low-light conditions, eliminating dangerous blind spots. Its robust build includes a durable aluminum frame and reliable loop recording, automatically saving footage for your peace of mind. Whether navigating tight city streets or backing up a trailer, this system offers an essential upgrade that transforms your driving experience with confidence and modern clarity.